Good day, students. I am Dr. Godwin A. Hassan of the Department of Crop and Soil Sciences, National Open University of Nigeria. You are welcome to our topic on AEM 713. And our topic today is transplanting of our tree crops into the permanent location, the permanent field. You will recall that you might have produced good seedlings that are ready for transplanting into the permanent location where they will remain throughout their lifetime. And that means a lot of things are supposed to have taken place. One, the selection of the permanent site. What are the conditions or factors that influence the selection of our permanent site? What are we supposed to do? The lining up, the survey work, the location of our planting spots, and then the maintenance of our tree crops in the permanent site. It's an interesting course because of the importance of the permanent site. I want you to listen very well as I take you through these slides. Feel free to ask questions. I remain once again your facilitator for this course for this semester, Godwin A. Al-Hassan. God bless you. As I earlier told you, our topic for today is permanent transplanting into the field. I remain again your facilitator, Dr. Godwin Al-Hassan of the Department of Crop and Soil Sciences, National Open University of Nigeria. As you can see from this picture, you cannot get this high quality banana fingers if you don't have a very good permanent site selected for the production of bananas. And so the importance of having a good permanent site for your tree crop cannot be overemphasized. By way of introduction, preparation of the nursery site have been completed. Method of vegetative propagation have equally been done. We have done nursery management, nursery equipment and materials, field equipment and materials, and this topic will take us to the permanent site. At the end of this topic, we'll be able to select your seedlings, prepare planting holes, space the tree crop seedlings to their permanent positions in the field, and should be able to manage the seedlings in their post-planting conditions. We have four major objectives for this topic. Select healthy, that is number one, select healthy and well propagated seedlings for transplanting. Number two, select a suitable field site. Number three, prepare the field. Number four, mark out the field. And number five, dig out planting holes at correct spacing. You can see this is our nursery, well prepared. This is coconut nursery that is well prepared, ready for transplanting to the permanent site. You can see the beauty of a well-managed nursery of coconut seedlings. Selection of the field site. There are so many factors we have to consider as we select our permanent field site. One, have to look at the altitude. Most tree crops are cultivated from an altitude up to 700 meters above sea level. Topography, level size are most suitable for growing tree crops. We have to look at drainage. We select well-drained soils as they are the most suitable for our tree crops. Then we also have to look at the strong winds that are harmful to our tree crops. The direction and duration of the prevailing winds must be considered in the selection of our permanent field. So we have to equally look at the climatic factors. We have to look at the temperature. An annual average temperature of 25 degrees centigrade to 29 degrees centigrade is ideal for most tree crops in Nigeria. Rainfall, most of these tree crops are adapted to an annual rainfall up to 1,000 millimeter and above per annum. We have to look at the sunshine. Tree crops in Nigeria require much sunshine, and so we have to avoid places that are always cloudy and dumpy. Then we have to look at our soils, deep, fertile, well-drained, free from soil-borne pathogens, and supply sufficient water, air, and nutrients. Availability of labor, we have to look at how cheap and easily available is labor. We have to look at accessibility. How is our permanent site accessible by road, rail, water, or even air, if preferred? Preparation on the field. Monocropping was adopted for tree crops in the country about 70 to 75 years ago. Emphasis was on cash crops for export as at that time, and then there was a need for land preparation for this purpose. So when we are preparing land for this purpose, we have to do a lot of clearing. Selective thinning requires shading during early growth like cocoa, cola, coffee, breadfruits. Bush fallow traces or simple felling of trees if cleaning had been done during the previous cropping cycles. Then let's look at marking out the field. Marking out operations consist of locating planting sites on the field. That's the location where you're going to put your material, the tree crops. Blocking of the plantation. That is, plantation is divided into convenient sizable blocks, each block being 5 to 10 hectares in size, depending on the spacing of the crop. Locating the planting sites. Materials required for this purpose are ranging poles, measuring tapes, and pegs or stakes to mark the planting site. This is the various spacings for various tree crops in Nigeria. For cocoa, we'll plant it at 3.1 by 3.1. Mango is 10 meter by 10 meter. At the same thing, if you look at cashew, we'll plant at 6 meter by 6 meter. Oil palm is 10 meter by 10 meter, etc., etc. This is a well laid out mango plantation already in the permanent site. You can look at the beauty of the layout, enough space for vehicles to move, enough space for materials and labor to move around. And this is an ideal site selection for mango plantation. Thank you very much for listening. I look forward to see you next week, the same time. I remain yours sincerely, Dr. Godwin A. Hassan of the Department of Crop and Soil Sciences, National Open University of Nigeria, Kaduna Campus. Thank you very much.